Hey y'all, we're going to do a little screen recording today about how to get logged into your school Google accounts and also use the Adobe Creative Cloud. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google Chrome. So open up a Chrome window. Up here in the top hand right, you should see your person. You can see I have a number of people on mine. I just want to make sure I am synced and logged into my school account on my Google, and you should see your little picture or your name up here up in the upper right hand corner. All right, after you're in a Google account on a Chrome browser, you need to go to adobe.com. And when you get there, you're going to click right up here and you're going to sign in using your Google account. So this will say sign in, then you'll click Google, get logged in until this says that. Once you have a Google Chrome browser with your name and then also logged into a school account at adobe.com, you can click on the little waffles over here. You're going to go to Creative Cloud. All right. In the Creative Cloud apps, one of the best things is that you can download any of these apps and use on your computer at home. And they also have the learning projects as well as your recent documents that you may have saved in the Creative Cloud. If you click on all your apps, you can update and install on any computer you have at home. At school, these should all be installed, but if you have a computer at home and your account, you should be able to install them on a computer and use them. Once you have them installed, you can go to, hopefully, your Creative Cloud account, and it'll have a folder on there. On your computer, on this, you can also see your apps and Creative Cloud and all of that. And then I recommend for all journalism students, you have the Little Hawk folder. And then all designers should have the separate design folder outside of that. Then you can also have your Adobe Audition projects for podcasting. You can create any other folders that you want in here. Folders. And the great part of this is you should be able to access this at home and at school. All right, those are the big tips that I have for doing this. Um, Enjoy your Adobe Creative Cloud. I think it's one of the best things that we've updated in students' ability to use the Adobe apps this year.